Hey, what is up, my friends? So in one of the previous videos, I showed you guys how to create a website that looks something like this, which you can then use on Google Ads to promote your affiliate products, let's say from ClickBank, with much lower chances of getting banned because this site has all the legal terms, it has all the articles, fully fledged website. However, I realized there was one challenge in creating something like this for you guys, especially if English isn't your first language, and that is actually writing out the posts. So if you recall in that video, I went in and I looked up some article ideas, and then I did the research for it, and I summarized those articles and I posted them here. But what if there is an easier way to do that? What if you don't have to go in and do the research and summarize the articles yourself? What if you could have someone or something do it for you? And that's when I learned about this cool site called ChatGPT. So if you guys head over to chat.openai.com, you will be able to input whatever information you want into this system, and it's going to give you out information. It can write a whole article for you that you can then post on your website. Absolutely amazing, guys. Saves you so much time, makes it so much easier. So over here, as you can see, I logged in. I said hello. And then it replied to me. So it's like a robot, but it's a pretty smart robot. And then I asked, can you write me an article on weight loss? And it just created this in 10 seconds. It wrote this out. But this isn't enough for an article, right? So I said, can you expand on all these points? And it went in and it expanded. It wrote one paragraph for every sentence. So really cool stuff. Now, this could be enough for a short article where you could add your affiliate link. But can you expand even more? So in this case, it wrote 2 paragraphs on every topic. And then what I did was I asked, can you write more about the drinking plenty of water part, which was right here. And it did. It wrote 4 paragraphs for my 2 in this case, for the 2 here. And then you can do that. You can keep doing this. And then you guys can post all of this on your actual site. And you can create another article. For example, if we create a new chat, and let's suppose you guys are writing something about, in this case, it was about weight loss. What if you do something about make money online? Let's see. How can I make money online? So let's type that in and let's see what it says. There are many ways to make money online. So if you guys are going to be running your website in the make money online niche, you can do this and you can go in and copy paste all this. So let me guide you through the process here real quick. Here's our website. We're going to go into posts. And then we're going to add a new post. And then let's imagine, for the sake of an example, this is going to be a make money online post. So this isn't enough for an article, I would say. So I would say, can you expand on these points? And now it's going to write a paragraph for every single sentence. So sell products or services is going to write that. And then in the meantime, we can come back here. And then here, this is where we can write our post, right? We could just copy paste it. You don't have to do the research. So here we can call it, we can say 5 ways to make money online. Let's suppose that's what your article is about, 5 ways to make money online. And again, check out that video, guys, that I posted. It's going to give you some information about how to find your product, where to go to find it, how to use affiliate links and stuff like that. It's going to be very easy, very straightforward to do. And then this is a little better. All right, so 5 ways to make money online. But let's say, can you expand on every point even more? And let's see what it says. Here's more information. So let's see how much it says. So for each paragraph, for each point that it wrote, let's see how much it's going to write. So now it's got bullet points. So now this is at least 2 paragraphs now for the one, right? And then you can go in and paste it, guys. Super easy. And then I'll show you how to add your affiliate link. Oh, here it's got 3 paragraphs. So I'm going to go in and just pause this video maybe for the next minute or so. It'll probably take about a minute to write all this, and then I'll unpause it and I'll show you what it's going to look like. All right, and so it finally posted everything. So for this specific part that we posted, it only said 4 things. So I had to prompt it and say, can you expand on point 5? And that's when it added more information about this. So we have about 4 paragraphs for each of the points. Guys, that is enough. That is a lot of information. So now what we can do is we can simply copy this whole thing. We can Control C, we can come back here, we can paste it here, we can even paste it on a notepad to have it fresh with no formatting, but in this case, formatting does look good. And then we're going to go back here. We're going to copy this part, come back to the bottom, paste it here. And then we want to make sure that we add this YouTube part here, start a blog or a YouTube channel. We're going to copy that, paste it here. And then we're going to say number 5. And you guys would obviously have to play around with the formatting a little bit, make sure it all looks good. So maybe you would go back in here, you would bold it, or maybe you would go in here and let's see, where's the, or you would click here and you would, let's see, where's the heading one? You would choose, make it a heading, you know, and then say number 1, things like that. Come back here. Oops. Make it a heading, make it number 2, so on and so forth. So that's what you would do. And then this one is bolded, this one. So it's interesting, when you bold it, it actually debolds it, but that's okay. So that's the idea, right? So then this is your post. This is going to be your post. And then the way you actually make money with it is you add your affiliate links. So you would say, for example, you could say at the end here, you could say 6. It's a bonus tip, right? Check out this program by whoever. Pick out some product on ClickBank, right? By XXX called the amazing make money online method. Click here to learn more. And then this is where you would select this. You would click here and then you would add your affiliate link there, right? And then that's how you would do it. And then you could also go back, for example, to number 2. You could say become an affiliate, or let's say create an online courses, and you can say PS, don't have any courses. Check out the amazing make money method by XXX. And so that's it, right? So I did no research. It took me maybe a few minutes of waiting for ChatGPT to type all this in. And then we're going to click publish. And let me show you what the article is going to look like. It might not look amazing because it's not formatted, but that's when you would go in and just take a few moments. But the main point is here, right? This is the challenging part. The hardest part is actually writing all this out and doing the research. And you have all that right here. Boom. And yeah, so that's it. And then bonus tip, right? This is going to be your affiliate link. You're going to click here. You're going to add your affiliate link there, as I showed you. And that's it. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. It was really eye-opening to me when I saw this, that you don't have to spend your time doing the research. You can just let the robots do it for you. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, definitely take a look at my website at ivanmena.com, where I have more blog posts and I have training courses where I show you how to use various traffic tools and how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.